Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with T-Mobile account for device unlock requests, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register for a T-Mobile account, start by visiting the T-Mobile website. On the homepage, locate the sign up or register button. Click on it to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your first and last name as required. Next, provide your email address. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again. Once you have filled in the necessary fields, click on Next or Continue. You may need to provide additional information, such as your phone number. Enter your current T-Mobile phone number. If you are a new customer, you may need to select New Account and follow prompts for initial setup. After entering your phone number, follow any additional verification steps. You might receive a verification code via SMS or email. Enter that code in the designated field to verify your identity. Continue through the registration prompts until you reach the end. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, log into your T-Mobile account using your newly created credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Device Unlock section. Follow the prompts to submit a device unlock request. Provide any required information about your device. This may include the IMEI number and the reason for the unlock request. Complete the required fields and submit your request. You should receive a confirmation of your unlock request via email. Monitor your email for updates regarding the status of your request. Once approved, follow the provided instructions to unlock your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.